What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays, everybody. Today I'm returning with another banger, another awesome recipe. We are gonna be making the most amazing candied yams, perfect for this Thanksgiving. Let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get right on into the recipe. Let's go. So you want to begin with about 4 large sweet potatoes. These are already washed and clean. Grab your potato peeler and get to peeling that skin off. Once we have our skin completely removed, we are then gonna slice these into like hockey puck size chunks, if you will. And we're gonna also slice those hockey pucks in half to speed up the cooking process. Candied yams is definitely one of my favorite dishes to eat on Thanksgiving. And if you haven't tried it yet, I don't know what's wrong with you. You are missing out. This is it right here. So freaking good. So once you have them all sliced up, you want to go ahead and just transfer them onto your baking pan just like so. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit at this point. And we are just about ready to move on to that next step. Man, oh man, I'm telling you, this is a banger right here. I have my pan to about, let's say, a medium. You don't want to be too hot and burn this sauce right here, but I'm melting down some unsalted butter. We got the brown sugar going in. We got the regular sugar going in. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. A little bit of water. You want to go ahead and just mix everything together. Again, be very careful not to burn this right here. We are working with some sugar. If it looks like you're running a little hot, turn that heat down. Do not hesitate to turn that heat down. Like I said, we're just getting all these ingredients into this pan right here, melted down. Once we have everything in there looking nice and beautiful, we are then going to transfer this yummy sauce onto our sweet potatoes. You want to go ahead and just dump this sauce right over the top of your sweet potatoes, just like so. Make sure you scrape that pan, get every last little bit out of there. And I'm actually going to just grab my spoon and kind of mix up the sweet potatoes a little bit, just to make sure they're kind of well coated up. And like I said, we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees, baby. And we are also going to toss in some unsalted butter. I have them cubed up. We're going to toss that right into our pan, just like so. And you can bake this covered. I ended up covering it halfway through the cooking process. But if you want to cover it the whole way, it is not a problem, okay? So go ahead and get it into your oven. And you want this to cook for about 1 hour or until your potatoes are fork tender. Grab a fork, give it a poke. If they feel nice and soft, that's exactly what you're looking for. And you are ready to take it out of the oven. And this is the end result right here, guys. This right here is so freaking amazing, man. Oh man, I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. You are gonna absolutely love it. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Comment down below what you think, and happy holidays, everybody. See you on the next one. Deuces.